Reedb.com was developed with the support of brokers from home and abroad, and is constantly being improved in order to meet specific needs. Let us also share your ideas and we will implement them in the best possible way. Currently, because of COVID-19, to restart the business, here is a special offer. 24 months. All offers for only $269 or euro. All tariff included, all interfaces, cronjob for sending or receiving. The follow-up contract can be selected in the administration at any time. Standard follow-up contract. PayperUse with daily termination. End of contract can also be chosen. Some advantages at a glance. Portal agent for the automated management of your offers on other portals. Automatic object rotation, such as changing daily. Automatic send to Facebook and Twitter. Multi-currency capability including currency converter for interested parties. Multilingual presentation in currently 14 languages. 20 images per offer. Cross-border search function. XML2U, OpenIMO, Kiro, Viva and other interfaces on request. Automatic QR code creation including logo for your offers.